if you are interested in traveling to Morocco, here are 15 tips you must know before you go. Okay, number one is cash is king. Yes, remember, so in Morocco, most of the cities, they accept cash only, okay? So before you land in the airport, remember to bring your dollars or euros and then exchange some notes in the airport, for example, some like banks in the airport or some like cash plus. So the rate is normally not that good, but it's necessary to exchange some small notes. For example, I exchanged $50 when I landed in the airport. So at that time, the rate was $1 equals 8.892 dirhams. That was not very good. So the last day I knew that in the city center is about like $1 equals 9 dirhams. That would be better, right? It can save you maybe several dirhams. Okay. And yes, and from the airport to the city center, for example, from Casablanca, the Mohammed V airport to the Casa Voyages. So the train, it takes about 41 minutes and you need to spend 60 dirhams, okay? That's expensive, but that's a lot expensive compared with you taking a taxi, yes. So taking a taxi to the city center, it will cost you around like 350 dirhams. That's quite expensive, okay? And second is about transportation. Okay, so while in the city centers or small distances, so you can take the petty taxi, yes. And it's better that you agree on the price before you enter in a taxi, okay? And normally for tourists, the taxi driver will ask for higher prices. It's better that you can negotiate, yeah, while smiling. Yeah, you can get maybe a good price, yeah. Yeah, and for inner-city transportation, there are two good choices. One is the train, it's safer and it's very smooth. The other one is the bus, city and bus. So with good prices and the time is okay, it's very fast. So, but for me, I prefer trains because it's more smoother and it's often like reliable and it's very punctual. Yes, don't worry. And also the buses are also very punctual. It's just that maybe I will feel dizzy if I'm like, I'm on a bus for very long. Yeah, so it depends. And the third one is about the dressing code, okay? You know that Morocco is a Muslim country. So like people are very conservative. So especially for women. So they will cover like from head to toes, right? Like long sleeves. Yes, so it's better for us to dress modestly while like keep stylish, right? So you will like stay more chic. Yeah. So you can wear some long shirts and long dresses. Yes, long skirts like that. And also, it's better for us to wear a scarf to cover our shoulders if you feel hot, right, outside. And so, and about the dressing, it's better that you bring some layered clothes, layered. So, for example, if it's hot in the midday, you can take off, right? But if it's cold, you can wear, like for example, your coats, your jackets, and your scarves, okay, to keep you warm. All right. And the first one is by languages. So in Morocco, like people mainly speak Arabic and Berber. Also French is also the official language. English, well, I would say it depends on the luck. So most people don't speak English. But well, if luckily you can still meet some people who can speak a little English. Yes. So it's better that you understand some basic French words like bonjour, merci, that will go a long way, right? And also like the Arabic like salama means hello and thank you, like shukran, that really helps, okay? And okay, the fifth notice is about the religion. You know that like people will pray, right? So maybe 5 times a day from early 5 a.m. to the late 10 p.m. So you will hear some chants. So it's better that you stay in a quiet place, right? Or quiet hotels. Or you can bring your earplugs to keep away from the noise, okay? And the sixth lowest is about the accommodation. So you can experience the Riyadh hotels and Riyadh courtyard, very local Arabic style. Yes, so you can enjoy the mint tea and Arabic food breakfast offered by the hotel, by the Riyadh owners, right? But remember, if you live in the Riyadh, so maybe the owners, they only speak Arabic. They don't understand French, don't understand English, so it's very difficult. And even though sometimes the Google Translate is not that accurate, because in Arabic there are many like many different dialects, right? Like for the in Middle East they have the Middle East Arabic, and in North Africa, like in Morocco, they have Moroccan Arabic. So that's quite different. So sometimes it will lead to some misunderstandings, especially if you translate from Chinese to Arabic, okay? And yes, of course, you can stay in some hotels. So I recommend staying in 4-star hotels. So for like hotels below 4-star, so they will not offer bottled water. Yes, so but they may offer the like a skid for you to boil the water, right? Yeah. All right. And yes, seventh is about the weather. So the bad season is about autumn. So October is the best time to visit Morocco. It's not that very hot. It's a lot cold. So yeah, just bring layered costumes or clothes with you. Yes, and that's very chill. Yeah. All right. And the eighth point is about I would say the bargaining, right? You know that in Morocco, most of the market you can bargain, right? Bargain, I think it's an art in Morocco. It's not a battle. Yes, people are used to that. For example, if they ask for high prices, you can cut prices firstly with like half prices, right? And then negotiate, bargain. It's very interesting. But remember to negotiate with a smile, okay? You will love that. Like, don't make some conflicts, okay? And don't make them angry like that. All right. And the ninth point is about the SIM cards and the internet, all right? So in most places in Morocco, the Wi-Fi is not that stable. Yeah, it's not that good. I have tried. So you can buy a SIM card in the airport or in the city center, some stores or the official stores like Morocco Telecom, the Orange and the Inway. So there's 3 types of SIM card. But I recommend Morocco Telecom and Orange. The signals are very good and it's very fast. So for Morocco Telecom, you can get it at least with 70 dirhams. It's around $10. Yes. And yeah, like 20 for the SIM cards and 50 for the streaming, right? Like the streaming card. So it has 5G, all right? Also for Orange, so I bought it from the small shop, but it's reliable. So I bought the SIM card with 10 dirhams, and I bought the stream card with only 10 dirhams, but only 1 gigabyte. But I think it was enough for me to use for 7 days. I only use it for like a Google Maps, direction, navigation like that. Okay. And 10th point is about the food. It's very important, right? So food, there are many delicious food in Morocco. For example, the famous tagine, like it's kind of like hot, but actually it's not that. So like it's hot, right? So with the pot, very special pot. So you can enjoy the chicken, the poulet with fries, like French fries, yes, and with some onions. Yeah, it's salty, but it's tasty. I think you will be used to that. Also, you can add some spices, yes, and some sauces. Also, and the Moroccan salad, like it's only around like 15 dirhams minimum. I mean, sometimes in other places it might be 18 dirhams or 20 dirhams, 25 dirhams like that. And also the mint tea is very special. You can try it. You must try, yeah. So, if you live in the Riyadh or the hotel, you may enjoy the mint tea as well after your breakfast. So just enjoy the slow life, alright? And the 11th point is about what? Yeah, the photography, right? Photography etiquette. So, yeah, always ask before filming people, because like, I think it's Muslim culture, like, or Berber culture, like people are not glad to be taken, to be filmed by others, because they thought their souls will be filmed. That will be dangerous for long, right? Or that was a lot. That's not a good sign for long. So always ask. And some people are willing to be taken photos if you ask them and smile, okay? And also, yes, this is about the photography. So respect and collection. Also, if you film the buildings, and especially some royal palaces, normally the police will forbid you to take photos. But if you ask them, I just take the photos of the beautiful buildings, they will allow you to take pictures. But if you film their places, the policemen, right, they will ask you to delete the photos immediately. They will come to see the photo. Yes, that's very interesting. Okay, so the 12th point is be friendly but firm. So it's better that you learn the Arabic word shukran, which means thank you. For example, I met a boy like in Rabat, the capital city of Morocco. So a boy like he begged for money, you know. For example, he said, "Madam, give me some dirhams." If you don't want to give it to him, or if you don't have the coins, you could say shukran. Remember, thank you doesn't work. Shukran is the best. Yes, it works. I tried. So after I said shukran and like this, then the boy went away and for other people's, begged for other people's. Okay, yeah, that's quite interesting. And the 13th point is about the cultural taboos. Yeah, so for example, like in Muslim culture, like wine is not allowed, right? It's limited. So don't drink wine in the public places, okay? Just respect them. And also be quiet. Don't shout. Don't make loud noises in the public places. And smile to people, okay? Yes, what else? Yeah. Yes, I think that's most of the tips. Let me see what else. Oh yeah. The 14th one is about safety. Overall, Morocco is very safe. Yeah, don't be afraid. But if you worry, just don't work at night. Yes, I mean don't work alone on the streets after sunset, especially in Casablanca, these big cities. But for me, I think for like Tangier and Rabat, I think these two places are quite clean and safe. Yeah, even in the evening, you can work on the street and people are friendly, right? There are also other people like walking beside the seaside, right? To enjoy the coastal lines, the beauties, yes. And the 5th point is about, okay, the bottled water. So remember that, and so in Morocco, actually, water is a very scarce resource. So don't drink the tap water directly, like in Western countries, like in Europe, like that. So it's not that clean. So it's better that you buy the bottled water at the shop. So I think that's also why most of the hotels, they don't offer bottled water or the bottled water, like very small, like only 33, yeah, liters, centiliters, like that. So then I understand, because most of the Moroccan country is in a desert area, right? So lack of water. Remember to buy some bottled water. So it's cheap. So in most of the shops in large cities, it's only like 3 dirham for 50, yeah, for 500 milliliters, and 2 dirham for the 33 33 cl, right? cc. And yeah, for large bottled water like 1.5 liters, it's about only 5 dirhams in a small shop. But sometimes in other places it may cost you like 7 dirhams or 8 dirhams, like that. Yes. But in Chefchaouen, I think it's more expensive than the big cities. I mean, the bottled water. Like you got it with 4 dirhams, 3 dirhams with only 33 cc order. Yes. Okay, that's about it. So, but in general, Morocco is a place worth to go. Yeah, it has a diverse culture. Diverse languages. So speaks French, Arabic. Yeah, and it's colorful. It's very colorful. Different colors: the blue, the white, the orange. Yeah, the brown. Yeah, and even pink, like that. And what else? And the food is also good. It's not expensive. The price. Yeah, it's not expensive. It's affordable for most of us. It's just the flight tickets is expensive, but if you fly from Europe, it would be cheaper, right? And what else? Right. So yeah, I think it's worth to go. Yeah, it's worth exploring. So finally, let me wrap it up. So Morocco will surprise you with its colors, cures, and what? Countless, right? Yeah. So if you load at least 15 cents before you go, you experience the magic, not the mistakes. So you can prepare before you go. Do some homework. And remember to save this video. Yeah, if you're going for your trip, and tag me when you film your Moroccan movies. Okay, so enjoy your trip. Alright, see you.